Hi guys, today in this video we are studying some basic text. So I have created an HTML file, and when we press shift plus 1 and then tab, so we have get this code of HTML. The VS Code can provide this code automatically. So now we add the title here, tags, and then tab. So we are studying first tag, which is h1, means heading tag, and here we write heading 1, so it will display in our web browser. Save it and let's run it in live server, and we will see here we have ch1. Let us duplicate this and we change it to h2, so which means heading 2, and it will display h2 smaller than h1, h3 which is smaller than h2, and h4 which is smaller than h3. Save it and you see this. There are 6 headings in our HTML available for us, 6 heading tags. So we are using these 6 tags, which are h1 is greater than h2, is smaller than h1, h3 is smaller than h2, and h4 is smaller than h3. Here we change the name of heading here. So these are some basic heading tags we are use here. Now let's get started about the new tag, which is paragraph tag. So if you want to have some paragraph, here I have removed this line of code, and here after h1 I will write a paragraph tag. For paragraph tag we use p tag in HTML code, and here I will write some code in paragraph. Welcome to the tutorial. So it is displayed in our web browser, and you see the paragraph tag. Oh, here I will write student double E, so it will display our paragraph in our web browser. If you want some dummy text in your paragraph, you write lorem and tab. So when you press Ctrl S, and you will see some dummy text in your web browser. So this is about the paragraph tag. Thank you for watching this video.